Stay with us, Arunil. BJP's Ram Kadam has now mocked the Maha Vikas Aghadi after the formula came out of the seat sharing. He says that they are a divided house. Listen in.
महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति में कांग्रेस दल और उद्धव ठाकरे गुट के नेता इनमें आपस में रोज झगड़े चल रहे हैं। दोनों दलों के नेता एक दूसरे को अभी से भला बुरा कह रहे हैं। उद्धव गुट के नेता संजय राउत ने कांग्रेस के विश्वजीत कदम को कुछ कहा। विश्वजीत कदम ने संजय राउत को कड़े शब्दों में सुनाया। जो दल अभी से आपस में झगड़ रहे हैं, क्या ऐसे दल महाराष्ट्र के हित में, देश के हित में काम कर सकते हैं? कतई नहीं। इनको केवल और केवल लोगों को लूटकर कमाई हुई संपत्ति।
Well, let me go back across to Arunil. Arunil, it's important for us to weigh out the two alliances. On one hand, you have the Maha Vikas Aghadi. Of course, some kind of seat-sharing formula has been thrashed out. Uddhav Thackeray manages to get the lion's share, and all the ones that he had declared the candidates for, he manages to retain. But what's happening in the Mahayuti?
Well, Meghna, before that, we'll discuss which all seats these alliance partners basically have got. We have got the confirmed list as well that is there with us. 21 of Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena. They will be contesting from Jalgaon, Parbhani, Nashik, Palghar, Kalyan, Thane, Raigad, Mawad, Dharashiv, Ratnagiri, Buldana, Hatkanangle, Sambhajinagar, Shirdi, Sangli, which is a contested seat, remains with Uddhav Thackeray, Hingoli, Yavatmal, and 4 seats in Mumbai. Out of 6, 4 seats Uddhav Thackeray has got. Mumbai Northwest, Mumbai South Central, Mumbai South, as well as Mumbai Northeast. Now, on Mumbai South Central and Mumbai Northwest as well, the Congress was basically pushing for Sanjay Nirupam quit because of Mumbai Northwest only. Mumbai South Central also, Varsha Gaikwad, a leader, had openly vouched for the Mumbai South Central seat. Now, what the NCP Sharad Pawar camp is getting? Baramati, as expected, there is Shirur, there is Satara, there is Bhiwandi, there is Dindori, also there is Mada, Raver, Wardha, Ahmednagar South and Beed. These seats Sharad Pawar camp basically is getting, and the 17 seats that the Congress party will be contesting on will be Nandurbar, Dhule, Akola, Amravati, Nagpur, Gondia, Gadchiroli, Chandrapur, Nanded, Jalna, Mumbai North Central, Pune, Latur, Solapur, Kolhapur, Ramtek and North Mumbai. 2 seats Congress party will be contesting in Mumbai North as well. Now, 17 seats for the Congress party, 21 for Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena. Speaking about the Maha Vikas Aghadi, the local Congress leadership is still miffed about the fact that they are not getting a chance to put out their candidate, despite, according to them, being a stronger party in their constituency. However, whether the diktat or the message from the Congress High Command in Delhi will be followed by the local leadership, that is again going to be very, very interesting.
Now the big question is, how is the Congress party going to quell dissent? Because not just Sanjay Nirupam, many others felt that the Congress party was literally surrendering to Shiv Sena.
Well, many. That is right, Swati. Be it Sanjay Nirupam, be it Milind Devra, be it Baba Siddiqui, be it Ashok Chavan as well. Everybody spoke in one tone, saying that it seems like the priority for the Delhi Congress High Command is to keep the alliance partners who basically like Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena or Sharad Pawar's NCP happy and put their interest paramount other than the Congress party's interest in certain constituencies. Because of that, those seats which were highly contested, like Sangli, Mumbai Northwest, Mumbai South Central, they were highly contested by Congress leaders. Despite that, Uddhav Thackeray went ahead and announced his candidates. The result of that was, from Mumbai South first, it was Milind Devra who resigned from the party and joined CM Shinde Shiv Sena. Sanjay Nirupam followed suit, resigned from the Mumbai Northwest constituency as well.
Right.
Sangli also, Vishwajit Kadam is openly speaking against Sanjay Rao. So whether this
Vishwajit Kadam that you're talking about, Arunil, we spoke to him. Let's